Welcome to Veerapaneni Infra Projects. This video provides a progress update for February 2025, highlighting key milestones from February 1st to February 28th. Here's a quick overview of the achievements. On February 2nd, steel materials were delivered, and rod bending work began on February 3rd, wrapping up by February 5th. On February 6th, electrical and plumbing materials for Slab 4 arrived, with work starting and finishing the next day, including inspections. Early on February 8th, concrete work commenced and was completed by the afternoon. The following day, February 9th, the survey team marked columns for the 5th slab, and centering work for staircase columns began. By February 10th, centering for the staircase was underway. On February 11th, rod bending and centering for the 5th slab columns started and concluded late that evening. The next day, February 12th, centering and concrete work for both the staircase and columns progressed smoothly. On February 13th, the ground team removed the centering for columns and prepared for the curing process. From February 14th to February 28th, the ground team focused on curing, ensuring quality and durability. That's all for this month's update. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more progress reports from Veerapaneni Infra Projects.